Good morning to all of you. I am Abhina and she's my friend Vanshika from 8th class.
Today we are having a wonderful session and conversation between a shopkeeper and a customer. In this role play, I am playing the role of customer.
In this role play, I am playing the role of baker. We hope you would enjoy it.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Hello, I am Abhina from Creamy Cakery. How may I help you?
Actually, ma'am.
Please take seat.
Thanks for asking. Actually, ma'am, tomorrow is my mother's birthday, so I want a delicious cake for party.
Okay, I have many different options of flavors and designs of cakes like choco chips, chocolate, vanilla, butterscotch, dark fantasy, etc. Which one you like to take it?
Oh, ma'am, my mother's like chocolate flavor, but also she likes vanilla flavor. So, can you try to make both?
Yes, I can try to make both the base of vanilla and chocolate. Okay, what about the design of cake?
Actually, ma'am, I have a design in my mind. Please make a superwoman on it and also write one best mom on it.
Okay, it's a very different idea. Do you want half kg or 1 kg?
1 kg is more than enough.
Okay, can you repeat your order?
I want 1 kg cake with both base of chocolate flavor and vanilla flavor also. Please make it eggless and try to make it on tomorrow morning. I will come and pick up it.
Okay, I can make this cake before morning. You will pick it tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. How much should I pay for it?
It will be rupees 450.
Thank you.
Most welcome.